Hello everyone. Welcome to the second part of the tutorial. Today I will show you how to build a set menu for your restaurant. A set menu item allows you to group different dishes into a single option, such as a lunch set or dinner set. Let's start by creating a lunch item called the two-course set. In this set, we will include a drink section with a tea item and a coffee item, as well as a main section featuring aglio olio and fettuccine alfredo. First, navigate to the menu section and tap the plus button. Select Set Menu and then tap the blue button to create a new category titled Lunch. Enter Lunch and tap the Add button. After that, select Lunch to confirm. Now in the Menu ID field, you can enter any number to represent this item. Enter two-course set in the name field and set the price accordingly. Next, tap the blue button to build the content of the set. Tap the New button. Enter Drink in the section name field, then search for the items and tap them to add them to the group one by one. Tap Save and then tap the Drinks group to add it to the two-course set. Great! Now let's follow the same steps to create the main dish for the lunch set. Finally, choose a photo for the item and then tap Save to create the lunch set. Let me quickly create a three-course set that includes drinks, a main dish, and a dessert. Done! To verify, let's check the takeaway section. You should see the item listed there as well. You can also access your items by tapping the categories at the top. If you have many items, you can easily search by name or menu ID. Let's select the two-course set to verify the items it contains. If your guest orders the lunch set, you can select the items for them by tapping accordingly. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.